Welcome on my channel, welcome on my podcast. Right. I'm really happy right now because I just saw some good news from the city of Bulawayo, from Bulawayo town. A piece of good news when I was just searching the internet, reading on the internet, browsing the news, and all the current developments, current updates on the internet. So as I talk to you, I'm from the capital city, or I am in the capital city, which is Harare, Zimbabwe. And I just saw something that is happening in Bulawayo, or that has been happening in Bulawayo for the past 3 to 4 years, but now has become a true reality in that city, in that town. There's a body or an organization in Zimbabwe by the name National AIDS Council. They just released information to say the prevalence rate of HIV virus, HIV AIDS in Bulawayo City has dropped massively, generally from 13.2% to 10.7%, 13.2% down to 10.7% from the year 2020, stretching to the current year 2025, 2024 to 2025. This 4 year period, yes, 4 to 5 year period. So this is the good news that I have today, and I just decided to make a video and share on my channel, on my page, on my platform, to share with people like you, my viewers, my subscribers, my followers, my fans, people who come on my channel to view and watch my content. So I'm particularly impressed by these statistics that I read on the internet. You know how deadly this HIV virus is. You know how dangerous this HIV AIDS epidemic or disease is, when it comes to human life, when it comes to destroying lives, destroying life destinies. You understand? So I was happy when I was reading about this thing. So I want to say this: the provincial manager for this organization, National AIDS Council in Bulawayo City, uh, went on to address the people of Bulawayo, or just in general everyone in Zimbabwe, and he said in his keynote address, saying uh, the dropping down of this rate of prevalence of HIV virus in Bulawayo is because of two factors. Factor number one, he said, is because of improved health seeking behaviors by the people in Bulawayo City. Factor number two, he said, the dropping down of this virus, the prevalence rate of this virus, is because of stronger workplace health programs or stronger workplace health initiatives that have been coined, designed, and developed, let's say by the companies in Bulawayo, or by the business enterprise in Bulawayo, or by the business corporations that are there in Bulawayo. So this, according to him, the provincial manager for National AIDS Council Organization in Bulawayo, Mr. Douglas Moyo, this, this is his name. He said the dropping down of this HIV virus or prevalence rate of this HIV virus is because of these two factors that I've mentioned. Number one, improved health seeking behaviors by the people in Bulawayo. Number two, stronger workplace health programs, again by the corporates, businesses, or enterprises that are operating in Bulawayo City. So this is really good news to see the HIV virus or HIV AIDS disease, its rate or its level or its impact coming down because of whatever is up, because of the behaviors that people are doing in Bulawayo. Of course, good behaviors to stem down the level, the impact of this virus or this HIV, HIV AIDS disease. Of course, like I said, number two, because again of the health programs, health initiatives, health uh, activities that are being pursued or done or undertaken in the city of Bulawayo at any level, you understand, at any level, in order to make sure that the rate of HIV virus, the prevalence rate of HIV virus or HIV AIDS disease comes down to a lower level or to the lowest level. Of course, these health programs or health initiatives or health activities are being pursued by various social work organizations or maybe the National AIDS Council organization itself. You understand? So I'm really happy because of what I've read, because of what I've seen on the internet. So I know definitely that the National AIDS Council of Zimbabwe is doing a great work in order to stem down the impact of this HIV virus, the impact of this HIV AIDS disease in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. Right. When I was talking, narrating this issue, what came to your mind? What came to your brain? What came to your head when I was talking about this issue? What are your comments? What are your thoughts about the good news when it comes to HIV virus, HIV AIDS disease in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, among all the people that are in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town? What are your thoughts and comments? Please drop in the comment box, comment section. I'll come and check them out. I'll come and see them out. Your comments on what I've said in this video. Sharp.